Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Dodge Journey.
Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors,
and more.
Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity.
Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.